Hi, Todd from Walnut Ridge. Today we've been getting some calls, not a lot, but we have been getting some calls about people's saying their gate valves are sticking, seized up. So I'm outside of a hideout right now uh, just to show you. So these have the Valterra gate valves, so not cable driven, but this is going to be helpful for the cable driven ones and the inline ones like these Valterras. But uh, we there's all different brands of lubricant out there for the gate valves, the drain valves. You want to put about a quarter of a bottle in your tank, so like your gray tank, put it down your sink or your shower, either way, for your gray water. You want to add about 4 gallons of water and then just let it sit. Then you're able to use your tank as normal. Same with your black tank. So you'll put that down your toilet. Add obviously 4 gallons of water to it roughly. Let that sit around, slosh around. That will help keep your drain valves lubricated. Know we're going into the off season and that, so good time to get any maintenance done you need it done. That's a simple maintenance a customer can do, and it's a preventative maintenance because like I said, we have been getting a few calls on them sticking, and that is what's causing it. They just get gummed up from use. So we sell several different products here. Thetford, I recommend that. We carry that. You can get online as well, and all you got to do is type in gate valve lubricant or drain valve lubricant, either way for RVs, and it'll pull up in your search. And relatively inexpensive, but it will save you a lot down the road because they get to the point where they're gummed up enough. They're beyond lubricating them or getting them unstuck. You would be replacing these gate valves. The inline ones, not too hateful to do. The cable driven ones, unfortunately. Uh, so your gate valve handle would be probably in your outside front compartment, and then your gate valve, your dump station, could be 6, 8, 10 feet away or more. Well, they have a cable running through there. You have to drop the underbelly and replace. You can't just replace that gate valve. You have to replace the whole cable system, and very, very expensive on the cable gate valve. So hope this helps. Thanks.